Hi everyone, this is Chris with Easy Photo Scan. Today's video is going to show you how to turn off the reverse face-up function in the print scan INI file within your Kodak Picture Saver scanning software. If you're scanning with your Kodak PS50 or PS80 and have noticed that every time you scan photos, the order of the photos are reversed whenever you look at them within your scanned pictures folder, then this video will show you exactly how to turn that function off so that the first photo that you scan will always remain first and the last photo you scan will always remain last. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do if you're already in the Kodak Picture Saver scanning software is simply either save the job that you're currently working on or exit out by clicking on the red X. That'll exit out of the software. The next step that you need to do is to open up your File Explorer window. If you're using Windows 7 or earlier, just simply click on the Windows Start icon, and then you can click on either My Computer or you can click on the File folder. That'll open up the File Explorer window. The next thing you need to do is to go here to the address bar within the File Explorer window. It should be the same location for everyone, whether you're using Windows 7, Windows 8, or even Windows 10. In this particular instance, I'm using Windows 10. Highlight on whatever is within the address bar, and you're going to type in the following once that area is highlighted in blue. Type in C:\, backspace, program, data, that's going to be all one word, backspace, KDS underscore Kodak backspace picture. Now this time you're going to hit the space bar, saver, space bar, system, space bar, and then you're going to type in whichever model scanner you're using. In this particular instance, I'm going to be typing in PS80 because I'm going to alter the print scan INI file for the PS80 Picture Saver scanning system software. If you have a PS50 on the other hand, just simply change that 80 to a 50. Whichever unit you have, type in that number there. Like I said, I'm going to type in PS80 to access the print scan INI file for the PS80. As soon as we're finished with that, simply click on the Enter button on your keyboard, and that'll bring up the print scan INI file. Once you see the print scan INI file, just simply double click on that little icon. It'll bring up your notepad. And within the notepad, you're going to see all of this writing in here. This is what I like to call the brains and operation of your scanner. This is how your scanner thinks, and by changing anything in here, you're going to change the configuration of your scanner, though I don't recommend changing anything outside of what we're about to change. Leave everything else the same. You're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom in the notepad. In the PS80 print scan INI file, you'll find what we're looking for, which is the reverse face-up equals 1 option. That'll be up here. In the PS50 print scan INI file, it's roughly about 7 lines up from the bottom when you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Either way, look for the reverse face-up equals right here. If you've just installed your software, or if you've never changed this print scan INI file option, then most likely it will say reverse face-up equals 1. That's the default setting. That means that the reverse face-up option is on. To turn the reverse face-up option off, just simply change that 1 to a 0. That'll turn that reverse face-up option off. Go up here to the File tab, click on File, and click on Save. We're going to save over the original file. So click on Save, and once you've saved, you can exit out of that print scan INI file. If you'd like to go back into the file, just to double check to make sure that saved and changed the 1 to a 0, you can double click on it again, scroll down to the bottom, look for the reverse face-up option, and as you'll see in this particular instance, it's still saved as a 0. So it did save successfully and turned it off. You can exit out of there, exit out of here, and now you're ready to scan. So whenever you open your Kodak picture saving scanning software, you're going to be ready to be able to scan, and every photo that you scan from this point forward will be saved in the order that you scan it in. So the first photo you scan will remain the first photo, all the way down to the last photo, which will remain the last photo. Now, real quick note, if you ever upgrade or update your system software, you're going to need to go back into the print scan INI file and make the change that we just did, changing the reverse face up equals 1 to a 0. So anytime you make any kind of software changes, update the system, or install on a different computer, you're going to need to change that to turn the reverse face up option off. Well, that's about it. Hopefully that helped. And if you have any questions, by all means, give us a call. The number here is 1-800-739-6919, extension 1. Once again, that's 1-800-739-6919, extension 1. One of our experts will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, we thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy your scanning. Take care, and thanks for listening. This is Chris with Easy Photo Scan. Bye-bye.